Clerk Black can pull that up.
Yes, we, in lieu of fingerprinting, we have you all read that into the record. So I just want you to pull it up and get it ready so we can be ready to do that in a minute. Okay, Letty, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Pause number. 62907. Okay, we're on the record in cause number M1962907, the state of Texas versus Joyce Washington. This is a hearing for purposes of the defendant entering an agreed plea. Therefore, the state of Texas has waived its appearance. Defense attorney, Mr. Walter Dean, the defendant, Ms. Joyce Washington, the court's probation officer, the court's court reporter, and the court are all appearing over Zoom video conferencing. In compliance with the public courts laws, we are also live streaming on YouTube. Ms. Washington, please raise your right hand. Are you Joyce Washington?
Yes, ma'am.
You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. And what is your date of birth?
9379.
9379. Did you agree that we do your plea over Zoom video conference?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand what you're charged with today?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand the range of punishment?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you discussed your rights with your lawyer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to have a trial?
No, ma'am.
Are you a United States citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you believe your client is mentally competent?
I do, Your Honor.
Ms. Washington, what is your plea?
No content.
I accept your plea of no contest, find you guilty of this offense, sentence you to 150 days in jail, probated for 18 months. Also assessing a $1,000 fine plus court costs. As long as you meet your probation conditions, you'll be able to stay out of jail in your case.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, did your client sign these documents herself?
I sent them to her via DocuSign, and she executed them in that manner.
Okay. Mr. Jackson, do you have anything you want to add at this time?
Yes, Your Honor. Miss Washington, I will
Yes,
call
sir.
you upon the conclusion of our interview today to go over your conditions with you and answer any questions you may have for probation.
Okay.
That's all,
Mr.
Your Honor.
Dean, I'm sorry, Mr. Dean, you have anything you wanted to add?
I do not have anything additional to add, Your Honor.